The tech world is buzzing with excitement as renowned tipster Ice Universe reveals images of the screen guard for the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. These images not only give us a glimpse into the future of Samsung's premium flagship, but also provide intriguing insights into its design and features. The image showcases three screen protectors labeled as Galaxy S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, and S24. The screen protectors are clear, hinting at a high-definition viewing experience, and appear to be made of a thin material. Interestingly, they are labeled with 0.18mm, suggesting the thickness of the screen guards. The Galaxy S24 Ultra screen guard is the largest among the three, indicating a bigger display for the Ultra model. This aligns with Samsung's trend of offering larger displays for their Ultra models. The screen guards also hint at the camera setup for the upcoming models. The cutouts on the screen guards suggest that the Galaxy S24 series will retain the punch-hole camera design. This design allows for a larger display area, providing users with an immersive viewing experience. These leaked images have sparked excitement among tech enthusiasts, fueling anticipation for the official launch. As we edge closer to the release date, these glimpses into the Galaxy S24 Ultra serve as a thrilling preview of the technological marvels that await us. According to a well-known tipster, the launch of the Galaxy S24 series could make its debut on January 17, 2024. The grand reveal is expected to happen at a Galaxy Unpacked event in San Francisco, USA. Earlier hints about the launch date seem to align with recent reports from South Korea. Manufacturing partners have reportedly started producing Galaxy S24 phones a month ahead of schedule. Samsung is likely to confirm the official launch date soon. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to bring you the latest news from the world of technology. Also, what do you guys think of these latest screen protectors and the size of the Galaxy S24 series? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.